Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am deeply honored to stand you and before a topic of scientific miracle in the Quran. The Holy Book of Islam has captivated minds and hearts for centuries with its spiritual guidance. But what makes it even more extraordinary? Respected Chief Guest, one of the most remarkable Quran states that heavens and the earth were once one entity and then they were cloven asunder. This concept remarkably aligns with the Big Bang theory, fundamental pillar of modern cosmology. The Quran provides detailed description of the stage of human embryonic development from Nutfa. These descriptions are parallel to modern embryological knowledge revealed centuries ago. Quran also touch upon geology, emphasizing the role of mountain as peaks. Respected Chief Guest, Quran provides the description of water cycle. That rain is sent down from the sky, then undergoes the process of evaporation. In recent time, universe is expanding. Quran has already started, and the heavens reconstructed with the strength and indeed, and we are its expander. Thank you for attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.